All right, we got a 2006 Chevy Impala LS. This particular model has the 40 by 20 by 40 center bench and column steering. And what we're doing today is we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove the cup holders and cup holder cover of this particular style, so that way you can get to it and clean it out really well. For this job, you're going to need 3 tools. You're going to need your cleaning wipes or solution or whatever you're using for cleaning. You're going to need a ratchet with a T30 Torx bit or a T30 wrench if you have one, and a flathead screwdriver or a thin pick or even a plastic pry unit if you have one, because there will be some prying involved. Now, I have actually already cleaned this, but we're going to go ahead and run through this so that we can see what I had to do. So first, you're going to lift this up, and this unit here actually lifts out. You will need to pry it, so be ready for that. Now, this unit here is actually secured with a pair of spring clips in the bottom of the unit. So in order to get this out, you will need to get under it and gently pry upward until you feel it start to come free. And then both sides until it lifts out. From here, you will need to remove both sides of these covers. And again, these simply pry out. Try your best not to do any kind of heavy force, because you can risk breaking these tabs. Both sides done. All tabs taken care of. See, all tabs still intact. From here, you'll be removing these Torx screws. There's one on both sides. This is where you'll take your ratchet or your Torx wrench and just run it through. And there's one. And it's the same on the other side. And there's number 2. From here, you can now just lift out the entire unit. Make sure you do not lose these spacers. They are imperative to ensuring that you don't lock up your unit while you're reinstalling. Installation is quite literally the opposite direction. Just drop in, line up your bolts, run them down, Give them a decent torque, not a lot. Because one of the things I need you to understand is that these are held in place with welded nuts. And from there, we just make sure to put the right hand side on the right hand side. Left hand side on the left hand side. And then take your cup holder, drop it down, line it up, and now you've reinstalled the unit. And that's really all there is to doing that. I didn't find a single video on YouTube on how to do that for this particular style of bench. And so I figured, you know what? Maybe I should do it. So, if you have the 40-20-40 bench setup and you're looking to take it out for cleaning, replacement, repairs, or whatever, that's how you go ahead and do that without damaging it and being able to reuse it later. Hope that helps. Have yourselves a great day. Take care. Goodbye.